In this video, I am going to share with you a couple of ways to make money on the internet without monetary investment. Like I said before, if you don't have money to invest, you have to invest your time and energy. All you need is your smartphone or your laptop and a reliable internet. Now, before we get into all that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please also like my Facebook page so we can get more of this type of jobs on a daily basis. Now, see you on the flip side. SuperVank is an investment app which allows its users to earn money without personal investment. The system uses EC, which stands for energy currency, as its investment methods. The app is available as a free download on Google Play and the Apple App Store. How does it work? Using the EC acquired on SuperVank, you are able to trade on the shares of any of the company listed on the stock exchange. So as it is with any regular trading, this will either result in a gain or a loss. But before, let me take you through the registration process. As you can see, you can make profit easily for free with SuperVank convenient features. Invest for free with people around the world anytime. From now on, invest and earn profit easily. Everything on SuperVank is free and fair to anyone. Now let's start. So I've already registered. The ways in which you can earn ECs for free trading are listed as follows. You can get ECs by pedometer, time profit, schedule alarm, media profit, invite your friends, codes, bonus profit. And then you can also, they also have a free investment section where you got all items currently invested in, free investment, profit account, return statistics, and so forth. All you need is an email account and a PayPal account so they can pay you there. So guys, don't miss this out. Here we have another one called Free Ethereum Spinner. Here you can earn free Ethereum. Coin Spinner gives you consistent earning from day one. You only need a Coinbase account so they can send you Ethereums without having to pay astronomical transaction fees. Coinbase is the #1 crypto wallet in the world. There will be a registration link inside the app and it only takes 5 minutes to set up and it's 100% for free. Fast and real payouts via Coinbase. You get some Ethereum instantly after literally 5 seconds of the first use. However, to prevent spam, they only allow one payment per 3 days. This app will help you get started with Ethereum and blockchain technology for free without you having to invest any money of your own. The last one for today is KIDSPAIDMONEY. Now this one is pretty simple because you'll get $25 for just signing up. How it works? Sign up to receive your special referral link which you will use to share with your friends. Number 2. Invite your friends to our site by sharing your link. You will earn $10 for everyone who clicks your link and joins. Number 3 is about cashing out. They pay via PayPal, Cash App, Western Union, bank transfer, and more. Now this website has been around for 10 years in business. They have 63,000 followers and almost 200,000 members, and they have paid almost 40 million. So they explain to you how to turn your social media into cash and where do they get their money from. And they also have reviews of happy members. And everything you need to know is there. So like I said guys, this is Business and Entrepreneur with Thabo. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also please like my page on Facebook. The links to all the websites and the apps are on the description down below. So please click there and get registering and let's make money. See you on my next video.